Hello owners, managers, or door controller installers. In this video, we're going to be going over how to download Inside Access and hook it up to the door controller. So first things first, if Inside Access is not already downloaded, you may have just completed the installation and notice it's not working when you're swiping a key. That's because it's not hooked up yet. So let's click on the home button on the top right and go to Applications. Once on this screen, we're going to want to click on Inside Access, and you're going to want to click on Download. At this point, it's going to download on the lower left-hand corner of your screen. You're going to want to install that. It's going to ask for a username and password, and it should load up just like this. Okay, once on this screen, we're going to want to click on Settings at the top and go to Access Controllers. Now, every access controller we ship out, whether it be a barcode or RFID, should have a sticker attached to the box or on the front of the controller with the IP address that needs to be punched in. So at the lower left-hand corner of the screen, we're going to click on New Device, and we're going to find which device are we installing. If it's RFID, we're going to want to click on IBC 8000. If it's a barcode reader, we're going to want to click Serial Device Server. So let's go ahead and click IBC 8000. And there's the IP address. We're going to want to make sure we punch in the IP address that is on that sticker. Leave the data port at 57 and click Test. At that point, it should have found the controller, and it'll ask you to swipe a key. If you've noticed it does not find the controller, you can try restarting the computer. If that doesn't work, then give us a call at 855-367-4967, and we will help you. If it did find the controller, you'd swipe a key, you'd click Save, and presto, your door controller is hooked up. If you have, again, any questions, please just give us a call at 855-367-4967. Thanks. Have a great day.